This video will instruct you on how to correctly set up a document in MLA format for this class. The first thing that you need to do, if you have not done so already, is open a clean Word document. If you do not have Word on your computer, you need to stop this video and search for the video in your syllabus concerning the online version of Word available through the college. Once you have opened up the Word document, you're going to look here on the left under Font. Most Word programs have default fonts set at Calibri 11. For this class, you need to have your papers typed in 12 Times New Roman. So if you have not done so already by setting your default font to 12 Times New Roman, which is explained in a different video, click the drop-down menu, find Times New Roman, click it, change the font from 11 to 12. The next thing you are going to do is go over here under the paragraph section, and you're going to find the two arrows, one pointing up and one pointing down. If you hover over it, you will see this is line spacing. Click the drop-down menu and go into line spacing options. Your alignment should be at left and your indentation should be left at 0, right at 0, special at none. Under spacing, your before should be set at 0 point and your after at 0 point. So if it is set at anything besides 0 point, click the arrows until it is what it is supposed to be, which is 0 point. Then come over here to the line spacing, click the drop-down menu, and then click double. You will then click OK. We are now going to insert page numbers into our document. If you go to your top toolbar on your computer, you're going to see the word Insert. Click Insert and scroll down to Page Numbers. This window should come up and you have a drop-down menu here for position, top of page or bottom of page. Please click top of page. Your alignment can stay the same. Please do not change it from right to left. So you should have top of page, right. Then click OK. Once you click out of the box, you will now notice a grayed out number 1 at the top right hand corner of your page. Place your cursor on the 1 and double click, which will bring you into this header section. Click in front of the 1 and you will see a lined box. Please type your last name followed by 1 space. Doing this will ensure that your last name and each page number occurs on each page of the paper. Then navigate below the blue line. You can either click Close or double click twice and it will bring you back to the top left hand corner of your paper. At this point, you are going to type your first and last name, followed by hitting Enter. You will then type my name, my last name is fine, and hit Enter. You will then type whichever class you are in. If you're in Humanities 115, you would type that. If you're in English 111 or 114, that is what would go on this line. Hit Enter, and then you are going to type the date. The date is very specifically written. You start with the day of the month. So if today were December 15th, you would type 15 followed by a space. You would then type the month of the year without abbreviating, followed by a space, and then the year. Notice that there are no slashes, dashes, commas, or periods. You have the day of the month of the year, and then the year. After you have typed that, you're going to hit enter. Please note that this information, these 4 lines, your name, my name, the class, and the date, only appear on the first page of your paper. They should not appear on every page, just your first page. If you notice that they are appearing on every page and are grayed out, like student 1 is here, that means you have not followed these directions exactly and are still typing in the header area. So please watch this video again to ensure that you are typing the correct information in the correct place. After you have typed the date, hit enter. Then navigate back up here to the paragraph section. You'll notice that this block is grayed. Right now it says align text left. You are going to center text by clicking here, and you're going to type a title. Your title will depend on what the subject of your document is. Then hit enter. Please notice that your title is not in bold, it is not in italics, it is not in all caps. It should not look any different than your heading information, meaning it should be in 12 Times New Roman regular font. Your first and last word are always capitalized, and any word in between that is not an article, such as a, an, or the. Once you have typed your title and hit enter, you're going to go back up into the paragraph section and click on Align Text Left. You will then hit the Tab key on your keyboard to indent your paragraph and begin typing your essay. Please note that you need to hit Tab to indent. Do not space over. Hitting the Tab key once is all you have to do, and that's it. You have now formatted a paper in correct MLA format for this class. Another video will show you how to save this as a template so you do not have to do this every time you are ready to type a new document.